Hello everybody. So in the previous class we have discussed about the reasons for taxation, and in this class we are going to discuss about the classification of taxation. So classification means different types of taxation. So what is the meaning of progressive tax, what is the meaning of regressive tax and proportional tax and direct and indirect tax. That is we are going to learn quickly. Okay. See, first one, there are different types of taxation is there. Types of taxation, types of tax. First one is direct tax. Direct tax means what? It is a tax on income. See, direct tax means it is a tax on income. Usually you can expect this type of question in paper 2 section D part. Explain any two types of taxation they can ask, or else in the paper 1 in the multiple choice also they will be asking a question. So please thorough in this topic. So direct tax. Direct tax means it's a tax on income. On whom the tax is imposed, for that person they have to pay tax to the government. For example, see for the person XYZ, just name it XYZ, the person is earning 1 lakh rupees or $1 lakh, right? This is the person income, right? The 10% of tax means 10% of income tax means the person only need to pay tax to the government. That's what it is said to be a direct tax. So technically it is a tax on income. So example of direct tax include income tax and corporate tax. So these are said to be a example. Income taxes and corporate tax. Corporate tax is also example of direct tax. And the second thing is indirect tax. Indirect tax means it is a tax on expenditure. Indirect tax means tax on expenditure. So if you are buying, then you need to pay for tax to the government. So whenever you are making an expenditure, so that time you need to pay the tax to the government. But the tax money is collected by the seller, and the seller will be paying tax to the government. So that's the reason we are indirectly paying tax to the government. So technically tax on expenditure. So here the examples are said to be a goods and service tax. Goods and service tax. GST, you might already aware about this tax. Goods and service tax are said to be a example for indirect tax. And the third one is progressive tax. Progressive tax. So which means if your income increases, progressive tax, if your income increases, your tax rate also increases. So here see, look at income increases, then what will happen, right? Your income increases and the tax rate also increases. Tax rate also increases. This is said to be a progressive tax. Okay, and the fourth one is regressive tax. Regressive tax means if your income increases, regressive tax. This is the fourth type. What does it mean? No, income increases but your tax rate decreases. Income increases but your tax rate decreases. Tax rate decreases. This is said to be a regressive tax. And the last one is proportional tax. Proportional tax. What does it mean? No, whatever the income, your tax rate remaining same. Whether income increases or decreases, tax rate remains same. Income increases or decreases, but the tax rate will not be changing. Tax rate will be same. These are the 5 types of taxes, right? Thank you for watching, and in the next class, in the next video, we will be learning about principles of taxation and the impact of taxation. Thank you.